find out the problem, your matrix, every matrix, and if need we can make trigger tag variable to, and also install the data layer for Shopify store. Okay, thank you very much to join with us. Okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Where are you?
Yes, we are from Bangladesh.
Okay, amazing.
Do you know
Well,
Bangladesh?
I've never been there. I've been to India, but I haven't been to Bangladesh.
The nearest country. India is our neighbor.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your reply to me.
Yes.
So tell me, what do you want to find out today in terms of the details on the project? Do you think you fully understand what's required?
Yes, David. Yeah, we audit your website as well as we saw your post. Okay, that's why we replied you, right? And you have Shopify store and you are working for baby product, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, for children.
Find out the problem, your matrix, every matrix, and if need we can make trigger tag variable to, and also install the data layer for Shopify store. Okay, to get every parameters. Understand? So that's why we need to audit your Google Analytics 4 account, I mean Ga4 account, as well as if you have any Google Ads account, you did ads before, we have to see the ads also. Okay, and also you didn't integrate the tag manager, right?
I've got a tag manager set up, but it's just not working perfectly.
Yes, not working. Yes, we didn't find the tag manager in your website integrated. That's why I'm asking. Okay, so we have to audit this all account perfectly and professionally. Okay, so that we can find out the problem and give you the solution as soon as possible.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Yes. So what's your opinion actually? If you can give all account access through the Gmail. It would be better, I think. Right?
Yeah, fine. Okay, I'll use the Gmail that you sent me. Yeah.
Yes. Anik, please send your Gmail in chat box.
Okay.
And Nikok, if you want, you can share your screen so we can see your accounts also, Ga4 and Tag Manager account if you have.
Hold on.
Yes. Actually, let me talk about data layer, right? So when after working the Ga4 properly, after setting the Tag Manager, if this all will working, okay, if we can set up the data layer according to the Ga4 schema, we can separate all the trigger and variables for different type of customers. Your purchasers, how many people only check out from your website, how many people fully purchase and go to thank you page, we can separate them, and we can set up the remarketing campaign with them. Understand? Let's think about for one campaign for 1 month from your website, you can generate 2,000 people or 3,000 people, your loyal customer, right? But the thing is, the whole customers will not purchase your product at a time, right? Let's see, from the 3,000 customers, 500 can buy your products, right? But rest of the people, they are also your loyal and potential customers, right? So we have to set up some data layer, also some conversion tracking to separate them, all the purchasers for one audience, and also rest of the audience, I mean who didn't purchase your product, but they viewed your product, they click on your add to cart or basket, right, but didn't purchase completely. So we can set up the remarketing campaign with them. Understand what I'm saying? So if we can, or if we want to do all these things, we have to set up the data layer. Also we can put command for Google Ads account, hey Google, give us those type of customers who are usually buy any product with high budget. Understand? High basket value. Google has a data, actually their activity, their behavior, how many people and who are buying the product with highest price, right? And also some people we can find the low price. We can also measure your product ID, product color, product name, also customer information. Okay, we can track all the things for remarketing campaign. After doing all these things, we can set up the data driven decision making for your business, right? Because without data driven decision making, we cannot succeed in the business right now, because here is lots of competition, lots of competitor. If we can go funneling by funneling, right? By funnel and step by step, we can get successful and loyal customers for our website. This is the things. Also, no problem, Diki. After doing all these events, setting the everything, we will let you know, okay? And we will give you the follow-up mail, or if you need, we can make another meeting, no problem, to giving you the update. Understand?
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah. So all the other things I'm not too worried about. I just want to have conversion events on the reminders for each one.
Conversion events, right? Conversion. I mean, when someone will purchase from your website, the conversion events need to fire on Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, as well as Google. The need to data pass from your Google Ads account. Okay. Thank you very much. Happy New Year, and thanks for your time. We really appreciate your time.
Cool. Speak to you soon. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.